Hi friends, it's Miss Kathy. I wanted to show you some of my ocean animals that we would have been playing with in the classroom if we were all together. But I just have them at my house by myself, so I wanted to share them with you. Look, it's a shark. It's a blue shark. I also have a dolphin. Dolphins like to jump in the water. If we were at school, we would have some water to play with and some sand. Those are all both good things to play with at home if you have a little bin that you can put them in. Look, here I have a seal. There are lots of seals on the beach in California. Hopefully you can go with your family sometime this summer. And it's safe to go to the beach. Look, do you know what that one is? Lots of people like to eat these in Maine. It's called a lobster, and people like to eat them up. I also have a crab. Sometimes I see these on the beach at low tide. They like to crawl along the sand. They look funny. And sometimes I see these too. This is called a starfish. And here's my favorite animal. Look, an octopus. He has a big head and 8 squiggly legs. And I also have, here he is, my friend the Pout fish. Fishies are so fun to play with. And my fishy is feeling happy. Let's read the story and let's find out why he's feeling happy. Because at the beginning of the story, look, he's feeling so sad. He is a pout fish. Pout is like a sad face. So let me get our song started. This is a song that we would listen to in our classroom during the ocean theme. Here it is. Can you hear it?
Deep in the water where the fish hang out.
Look. God, those fish.
With an ever-present pout.
Sad face.
I'm a pout fish with a pout face, so I spread the Januaries all over the place, singing
blub, blub, blub.
Along come a clam with a wide winning grin.
A clam.
And a pearl of advice for her pal to take in. Hey, Mr. Fish with your crosstown frown.
Don't you think it's time to turn it upside down?
Said the fish to his friend, nice thought, Miss Clam. I hear what you're saying,
But
but
it's just the way I am. I'm a pout fish with a pout face.
So I spread the Januaries all over the place, singing
Blub, blub, blub.
I'm a pout fish with a pout face. We spread Januaries
Look at that sad
all
guy.
over the place, singing
Blub, blub, blub.
along come a jellyfish and flows through the
Jellyfish. Long
His tentacles are
tentacles.
driven in a gentle locomotion. Hey, Mr. Fish with your daily scaly scowl. I wish you wouldn't greet us with a grimace and a growl. Says the fish to his friend, Mr. Jelly, I agree.
I'd like to be more friendly, but it isn't up to me. I'm a pout fish with a pout face.
So I spread the Januaries all over the place.
He's always sad. Blub.
I'm a pout fish with a pout
See that sad face?
Januaries all over the place, singing
Blub, blub, blub.
along come a squid, quite a slender squiggly sight.
A squid.
She is squirmy, she is squelchy, she is slightly impolite.
There's the squid.
Hey, Mr. Fish, you kaleidoscope a mold. How about a smile, a little joy, a little hope? Said the fish to his friend, Miss Squid, I would try, but I haven't any choice.
Take a look and you'll see why. I'm a pout fish with a pout face.
So we spread the Januaries all over the place, singing
Blub, blub, blub.
I'm a pout fish with a pout face. So we spread the Januaries all over the place, singing
Blub, blub, blub. Oh,
along comes a fish with a silent soul
Look.
shimmer.
there she is.
The gang has never seen before this bright
Who's
brilliant
that?
swimmer. but instead of saying hey, she plants a kiss upon his pout, and then she swims away. Mr. Fish is most astounded. Mr. Fish is just aghast.
So what was that?
He is stone-faced like a statue, then he blinks
Oh
and
my
speaks at
gosh.
last. My friend says, Mr. Fish, I should have known it all along.
I thought that I was pouty.
But it turns out
I was wrong.
I'm a kiss, kiss fish
He's
with a kiss, kiss face,
happy.
spreading cherries all over the place, singing
Smooch.
smooch,
Smooch. Mwah.
smooch.
Mwah.
I'm a kiss, kiss fish with a kiss, kiss face, spreading cherries all over the place.
Smooch. A big kiss.
Kiss, kiss, kiss fish.
Sometimes when I'm feeling sad about staying home, I just can give my little fish a kiss, mwah, or mommy or daddy, and I might feel a little bit happier. All right, friends, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.